Welcome! In this video, we're going to explore SpeedAlyzer's homepage. This is the first page you'll see every time you open SpeedAlyzer, and it serves as your central hub. From here, you can start a new property analysis or continue working on an existing one. SpeedAlyzer is built on Microsoft Excel with an integrated database, so if the layout feels familiar, that's why. Let's begin with the ribbon buttons at the top of the page. These appear across every section in SpeedAlyzer and help you navigate quickly. The Home button brings you back to the home page from anywhere in SpeedAlyzer. The Back button takes you to the previous screen. The Top button jumps to the top of the current page, and the Down button jumps to the bottom. Next, we have the Analysis buttons. These 5 buttons navigate you to the main sections of your analysis and are only active when a property is selected from your My Property list. Selected properties will be highlighted in green. Starting from the left, the Deal Inputs button is where your analysis begins. This section includes acquisition and financing inputs, syndication settings, starting income and expense assumptions, and valuation tools. To the right of that, the Proforma button opens up your projected income and expenses, operating ratios, and cash flow summaries. Then we have the Investor Returns button, where you can explore 3 different waterfall models to structure profit distribution for your deal. Next is the Creative Financing button. This lets you incorporate seller financing, loan assumptions, private money loans, or seller carry second position debt directly into your model. After that, there's the Amortization Schedules button, where you can view detailed schedules for your lender and refinance loans if those are included in your deal. After the Analysis buttons, you'll find the Import button. This allows you to bring in analysis files shared with you by other SpeedAlyzer users. The Export button is located just above the queue, and we'll cover that a little later. Moving along, you'll also find a few additional tools in the ribbon. There's a built-in calculator for quick math, and 2 zoom buttons to increase or decrease the display size of SpeedAlyzer on your screen. To the right of that, you'll see the Reference buttons. The Index button opens a complete list of abbreviations and formulas used throughout the analyzer. The Legal button gives you access to our copyright and limited use policy. Last but not least, we have the Help Guide buttons. The Tutorial button takes you directly to our tutorial videos on YouTube, and the Help button opens the full user manual on our website. Just keep in mind, both of these require an internet connection. Moving down and to the right, you'll see the Analyst Name. This shows the name you entered when installing SpeedAlyzer and can be changed anytime. To the right is the Connection Status Monitor, which tells you if you're online. Some buttons need internet access, but SpeedAlyzer's core features work even when you're offline. Further to the right is the Database Connection Monitor, which indicates whether SpeedAlyzer is properly connected to its integrated database. Both indicators will appear green when everything is connected properly, and gray if not. Next, you'll see the search bar, which lets you find saved analyses by property name, city, state, or analyst name. The matching results appear in your My Property list below. To clear the search and return to your full list, just click the eraser or list icon. To the right of the search bar is the SpeedNav drop-down menu. This gives you quick access to every section of the analyzer. Whether you're updating deal inputs, adjusting the unit mix, entering expenses, or reviewing capital expenditures, SpeedNav helps you jump straight to the page you need. Just pick a section and click.
We interrupt this tutorial for an important update. The SpeedNav drop-down menu has been replaced with drop-down ribbon buttons. Now you can access any page in the analyzer directly from the ribbon menu above. For example, all pages related to deal inputs can be found by clicking the Deal Inputs button, then selecting the tool or page you want. The same applies to the Proforma button. These buttons are available from any page, not just the home page. Additionally, the Analyst icon and the connection status icons have been moved into the ribbon menu. The connection statuses should be green, but if they're red, you can click these buttons for further actions. This concludes our update. Now back to the tutorial.
Next is the My Property list. This list serves as a repository for all your saved property analyses. You can store hundreds of property files here. When you first start using SpeedAlyzer, you'll see two demo analyses, one for a multifamily property and one for a self-storage property. The list displays up to 20 properties at a time, and you can navigate through additional pages using the arrow buttons at the top. To view property details, dashboard metrics, or begin analyzing a property, simply select it from a list. The selected property will be highlighted in green. From there, you can use the ribbon menu or SpeedNav to navigate the selected analysis. Just to the right is the queue. From here, you can select one or multiple properties to delete or export. To delete a property, check the box next to each property you want to remove, or use the Check All option from the drop-down menu. Then click the trash can icon. You'll be prompted to confirm before the deletion is finalized. To export, simply check the box next to each property you want to export and click the export icon. Exported files are saved in the SpeedAlyzer data folder created on your desktop during installation. For a step-by-step walkthrough of importing and exporting property analyses, check out the separate video linked in the description. Next to the queue is the Property Details panel, which displays basic information for the currently selected property. From here, you can add a new property or edit an existing one. To add a property, click the Add Property button, fill in the blue fields, making sure to complete all fields labeled in red, add a memo if needed, and then click Save. Your new property will appear at the top of your list and be highlighted in green. To edit an existing property, first select it from the My Property list, then double-click the blue field you want to update, make your changes, and press Enter to save them automatically. If the Property Details panel is grayed out, that means no property is currently selected. On the right, you'll see the Deal dashboard. This panel becomes visible when a property is selected and displays key metrics from your analysis, such as return metrics, deal points, financing details, distribution model, and overall profits. A deal mood indicator shows a happy face when your metrics meet the target goals, or a sad face if they fall short. For quick reference, check marks appear next to return metrics that meet their targets, and an X appears next to those that don't. You can also print or preview the property's pro forma using the icons in the top right corner of the dashboard. Below the dashboard, you'll find SpeedAlyzer's Market Zoom panel. This tool uses your property's location to help conduct demographic and market research. To begin demographic research, select a property from your list, then click the City Data button. This opens the City Data website, directed to the property's city and state, where you'll find detailed demographic information and statistics for nearly every city in the US. You can also click the AI Assist button, which generates a demographic research prompt and copies it to your clipboard, ready to paste into your preferred AI platform. This prompt helps gather relevant demographic and market insights from multiple sources. Quick links to popular AI platforms are available on the right side of the panel. Clicking the Market Map button launches a Google Maps search showing competing multifamily or self-storage properties, all marked directly on the map. For a more customized competitive search, use the AI Assist button to generate a tailored prompt for feasibility insights and market potential. Well, this wraps up our tutorial on the SpeedAlyzer homepage, the starting point for both your multifamily and self-storage property analysis, a place to stay organized and efficient. After all, minutes matter in real estate. Make informed decisions fast with SpeedAlyzer. For additional tutorials, visit our iHeartCRE YouTube channel and subscribe for further insights and updates.